This is how to use the bar replay mode on TradingView to actually practice trading. So this is a chart of NVIDIA. Let's go to bar replay. You click on it, you start new replay, and let's start from the breakout chart, the breakout candle here, which was May 22nd, just before the breakout. You see I have here sell buy enabled, and I have 200 shares as quantity. Let's reduce it to 100. And now with a single click, we can place practice trades in bar replay mode. If you want to open the trading panel, you can just click here. Replay trading panel here. Any trades you put, all the performance metrics will be revised here. So let's go with 1 update per second. On the daily, it's too fast though. Let's do 1 update per 3 seconds. And let's start with May 24. And let's click on play. You see now it starts moving. I bought 100 shares of NVIDIA. Now this is incredible data. Total P&L approximately $15,000. Max drawdown $5,000. The percentages here are just the theoretical value of the practice account. 4 out of 4 profitable trades, just random. And we can toggle on and off these KPIs here. So trade 1, trade 2, trade 3, 4, they were all longs. And we can see favorable excursion, the max, adverse excursion, so how far this trade went away from us. You see it's the pink. That's why it goes beyond the 0 line below. Buy and hold, I assume it assumes that you held the position until today. Actually, it assumes you held the position until the end of the bar replay period, which is great practice. So you know how much of that move you actually captured with the buy and hold here. And the excursions, favorable and adverse, shows you how efficiently you positioned yourself, whether long or short. So I bought here my first trade. I took $3,500 profit, but before I took that profit, it actually went more than $4,000 in my favor. As for adverse excursion, it went against me $1,300. And you can see that for each trade. And if you take a number of trades, you can just analyze the trade data for all your trades. Performance analysis, breakdown, periodical, benchmarking against a strategy, buy and hold, etc. How much margin I used, which I didn't, and other more complicated metrics here. Trades analysis. We will look into this in more detail in another longer video. So this is how you can use bar replay mode to practice trading on your TradingView. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Thank you.